Hey, what's up, y'all? Classic Kev back with another episode. And honestly, y'all, probably the most important episode thus far. All right, y'all. So I did it. I bought another NFT. I bought three of the Coalition Crew NFT. Cost me, man, I think it was like a little over $1,000. So pretty pricey, but I'm gonna give you some information on why I bought it. Now, let me start by saying that this project was recommended to me from Darren with the founder of the Chillin' Chameleons. If you haven't seen my interview with Darren from the Chillin' Chameleons, go check it out. The link will be in here. Honestly, guys, probably the best NFT interview you ever watch. I think NFT Magazine voted it NFT Interview of the Year 2021, so no big deal. Anyway, y'all, so this is the Coalition Crew, right? I'm going to read some stuff off their site. This is right off their website, which will also be linked in the description. All right, our mission. This is a limited collection of 7,100 unique cheetah NFTs living on the Ethereum blockchain. This is an NFT for game changers and those looking to elevate their network. It is estimated as of 2021, there are only 7,100 cheetahs left in the wild. That's crazy, huh? Like how are cheetahs going extinct? Like what can kill them? I guess, are people poaching them? Like this is the kind of stuff as an entrepreneur, it's interesting to learn. You start learning about problems that you didn't even know existed, but like you just feel this need to solve these problems, or at least partner up with people that have more knowledge than you and solve these problems. But so y'all, there are only 7,100 cheetahs left in the wild. That's just crazy. Cheetahs are currently listed as vulnerable, but scientists say they're getting close to extinction. Our mission is to help change that, and for every NFT that is purchased, we will adopt a cheetah through WWF in your honor. WWF, like remember the wrestling, they got sued by these people. The World Wildlife Federation, they sued WWF Wrestling. That was pretty funny. But yeah, so basically when you buy this NFT, they're gonna adopt the cheetah and name it, put it in your name. And this is gonna include a photo, an adoption certificate, a stuffed animal, and a species card, plus more. So I wonder what I should feed my cheetah, right? I'm just picturing, like those commercials with like Sarah McLachlan singing through the arms of an angel, whatever. Like if you can just donate $1 a day, you can adopt this kid in like a third world country and feed him. It's crazy that this is the evolution of that, right? So these cheetahs are apparently going extinct, and you're going to be able to adopt one in your name. Like what an awesome thing to be a part of, right? And so not only are you making a global impact, but you're getting exclusive access to our Game Changers Academy. This has been labeled the #1 networking community by Forbes and Entrepreneur Magazine. The GCA was designed to help people at all stages of their business elevate their game while helping people build their $1 million network. We give people the tools, resources, and guidance to become the best at what they do. Learn more at GameChangersMovement.com. So guys, this token will also double as your ticket to our live in-person networking events. The cost of these events runs anywhere, y'all, from $2,000 to $24,000. And if you hold a rare cheater, they're going to give you VIP access. So guys, that's the utility of these NFTs, that these events cost, over $2,000 to go to. Just by having this cheetah NFT, you're just going to cut the line, scan a barcode. That's the beauty of the blockchain, y'all. A permanent public ledger that can be audited by anybody. It's wild. It's wild. So if you go on their site, I'll show you some of the stuff that's on here. So they're doing millionaire guest speakers monthly. Imagine getting mentored by some of the world's most elite and successful entrepreneurs, CEO, and leaders. So once a month, they're going to have people like Gary Vaynerchuk. Man, I'm going to fit right in, y'all. I'm going to fit right in. Getting mentored by the most elite and successful entrepreneurs and CEOs. So on this list, y'all, you got Gary Vaynerchuk, Robert Kiyosaki, who wrote Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Ty Lopez, Michael Saylor, the CEO of MicroStrategies, the first CEO to put Bitcoin on a balance sheet and made like billions, one of the smartest men in the space, like Patrick David. I love Patrick. So guys, so this is the kind of access holding this cheat is going to get you. Then it says access to live networking events plus networking calls monthly. Your circle of influence will make or break you. It's time to rub shoulders with some of the most successful and inspiring and successful people. Rub shoulders. See, I've been rubbing elbows this whole time, y'all. That's why I ain't a millionaire yet. I've been rubbing elbows this whole time. But no, y'all, so this is this is going to give us access to the people that, you know, your network is your net worth, you know? So now when I'm looking at NFTs, y'all, so that's the utility, right? Let's not think about the artwork. I want to think about the utility. So they're going to adopt a cheetah that are going extinct. So my money is going to play a part in saving an animal from extinction. Yeah, I want to invest in that. Plus I can make money. Come on, y'all. Then the next thing you want to do is you want to look at the founders. Are the founders of these projects? Now, let me tell you what, guys, this Peter guy, I never heard of him before till this. But I was on a call with him when I was thinking about getting in. I jumped on a Zoom call with him to learn about the project. And guys, he had me wanting to run through a wall. Let me play some of it.
The more rewards and the more success you see. That's just very, very simple success economics. The more you bet on yourself, the more success you'll see, right?
Yeah, y'all see what I mean? So he looks like the type of guy. And then, guys, if you go on his website, you know, he's speaking on a stage with some big success sign behind him. And apparently he's got a #1 best-selling book, 6 months to 6 figures. I'm going to have to download that. So y'all, so he created this course, it looks like. And look, he was even mentioned in Forbes. Peter's advice has helped thousands define their dreams and reach their business goals. Peter has been mentioned in Forbes, Entrepreneur, Time, the Huffington Post, Business Insider. So, and he's got a YouTube channel. His YouTube channel is way bigger than mine. So, and I know how hard this is. So, if he's able to accomplish all of this, his Instagram, he's verified on Instagram. He's got 500,000 followers. So, again, guys, this is the kind of research deep dives you have to do in order when investing in these projects. This is not financial advice, and even if I can't legally give you financial advice, and even if I could legally give it to you, I wouldn't give it to you anyway because I wouldn't want to hear it if this project doesn't pan out. But guys, it got my money, so maybe I'm a sucker, or maybe we're gonna get rich off of this one. But I feel real confident. I like the team behind it. I like the cause. It checks all the boxes of what I look for in an NFT project. Anyway, y'all, I'm Classic Kev. I hope if you made it this far in the video, you like, comment, subscribe, do all those things. Anyway, let me know in the comments. Do you think I got a good deal? Do you think I'm getting scammed? Let me know. All right, y'all. Peace.